I'm excited to tell you guys about my new song. It's gonna be out tomorrow. The name of the song is called Utoaluga, and tomorrow is Tuesday, May 12, 2020, and it's gonna be out on YouTube. I'm gonna put all the description below. It's already on Spotify and SoundCloud. When I was working on this song, at first it was supposed to be a cover remix, but this song called Just One Night by Loyalty 684. But I ended up making it my own because when I was working on the lyrics, I was thinking of proposing to my girl, and right after that, I actually proposed to the love of my life. And yes, this when I was working on this song, I did the instrumental first. I did everything on my iPhone 6s. I edited all the sounds on my laptop, master everything, and then I did the vocals on my laptop as well. After I did the song, I just saved it, I left it on my laptop, and then a couple months actually, I messaged Gavika and like asking if he wants to feature in my song, and he told me yeah, why not. 3 days later, I think a couple days later, he messaged me back and sent me his vocals, and then from there we made a song. Finally got a song though. So, and shout out to those who got, because if you guys haven't subscribed to his YouTube channel, make sure you do. I'm gonna put the description below, and make sure you guys turn on your notification if you already subscribed to my YouTube channel, my Facebook page, so you guys will get notified whenever I post like a new song or something up for you guys. But yeah, thank you guys for tuning in. If you guys got any more questions, let me know and I'll get back to you. And also I might show you guys how I made this instrumental. Maybe if you have 3,000 views or something like that, and I'll show you how I did my instrumental on my iPhone. Anyways, thank you guys for tuning in.